Today's tale is a crazy tale about weather. October 31st, 1991. It's called the Halloween Blizzard. Have you heard of this? It's a good one. I'm sure that you will be very intrigued. Join me. This is Screams for You, and I'm B. So turn down those lights and lock those doors. Here's a scream you can't ignore. Oh my goodness. So this blizzard pretty much came out of nowhere. Nobody was expecting it to be as big as it was. And it started on October 31st, 1991, and it went in till November 4th, I believe, is when it finally really stopped. And this blizzard took out power lines everywhere. And this happened up in Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Iowa. There was lots of snow and ice that covered everything. Even the highways were closed down. There were 100,000 people that lost power, and it took up to 2 weeks for some to even get their power back on. The snow just started falling that night and didn't stop. In total, the total snowfall added up to 88 inches. 88 inches of snow. It was one of the biggest blizzards. It was a record-breaking snowfall amount everywhere. And the sad thing is not just only was Halloween canceled, but there were lives lost because of the extreme temperatures, people getting stuck and getting trapped. A total of 22 people were killed and over 100 people injured. It was an estimated of $63 million in damage done to these 3 states. Now that is crazy. Did you ever hear of this blizzard? I've never heard of this before. I didn't even know there was such a bad blizzard that happened, especially right on Halloween. That is just mind-boggling and interesting. Well, here's to remembrance of the Halloween blizzard of 1991. And I hope you enjoyed, or at least found, this short tale interesting. And don't forget to join me, because we still have a lot more days to cover before Halloween is here. I can't wait. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to have a creepy night.